Hi, this is your database. So please check it again. I'm telling to you second time. Actually, I sent it to first time. So you are not satisfied my database. So that is also your database and your coding part. But I am putting properly one by one statement. So that's why I'm telling to you. So this is your first database and second database. Firstly, I completed this database. Why? It is large database. That's why I use first one. Okay. Understood. So this second database I use second time database. So two database I use only one project I imported. Okay. So this is the just little bit information about data process, how is the execution. So that's why I'm importing. If you don't need this type of this data, just leave it. Okay. So this is Jupyter notebook. I means I uploaded I use a Jupyter notebook Anaconda count. Okay. So if you don't need this data, just leave it. Okay. 1 minute, it is showing just now I opened, so that's why it is stuck. So now execution. Okay, no problem. So the database escape, right? And also this one also same process, not a problem. Okay, if you don't need this database, 1 minute. Yes, how the education is a database is ready. Okay, if you don't need, just I'm telling to you. Okay, 5 minutes, that is a formal how the data execution we can identify easily. So that's why execution is one by one slowing. Okay, once it is updating, it will be fastly. I mean, just now I opened, so all files are imported in some folders. So that's why. So you don't know Jupyter notebook, you have to go on the installation. Okay, I will tell to you that one. So this is your database. You are asking this way and asking this way and asking this way and complete about this part of the thing. Okay, no problem. Don't worry. I will use all the things. Okay. So I will explain this thing how your data exposing. Okay, don't worry. So firstly we are going to discuss about your first database. This is your first database. Go and check it. Data report, area name, area code, matrix and value. See, check it here. So this is the column name. Okay, this is your column name. Okay, first thing, first we have to upload, we have to import your data, otherwise we can't do anything. So first we have the data, we can do anything. Okay, yes. So we are imported your database. Just I'm running it, just it is running. So your kernel your terminal database is running. Okay, just click on here, control enter, you will get the data. Okay, okay, right, you will get the proper data information about your data in a single database. Suppose you are asking your trainer or a teacher or whatever it may be, so ask him, I want only one database, how is it possible? Just go and give any name, any variable name. After that give parenthesis, okay, square brackets of one starting is our programming is always starting with one, not only not zero. Okay, so if you don't need any control enter execution, you can give run here, automatically it will taken. Okay, so this is your data proper information about all things. If I run execute every time, it will be late process. So that's why, see here, the terminal is processing. Why means the data is right or wrong checking, everything data is running. So that's why important, that's why it's running. Okay, if you fail anything, you will get lost your data. Okay, so the data is not executed all later. Okay, okay, check it here, bar graph, plot chart. It is a column database. You are asking just now, second thing, right? Okay, I will show again one thing. Okay, If you don't have knowledge about Jupyter Notebook, how to use Jupyter Notebook using R language or programming language, go on installation R. Okay, first we have to go installation Anaconda Windows 10. What are your system requirements? Go on installation, either Windows or Mac or Linux or whatever it may be. You have to install and choose it one. Okay, after that you have to installation your process. Once your execution is done completed, okay, once your database is, once your education is done completed, so go to next thing. Okay, so just open in your Jupyter Notebook, type Windows Jupyter Notebook Anaconda. Just click on here, the server is from dialog box, it's open. After that you can get the one server link like this thing, localhost 8889 cannot process. Okay, token authentication permission your system. Just copy and paste it. Sorry, yes, already I have the code. Just you have copied paste in the database, localhost 8888 token name. The server will be executed in here on localhost files. You will see your files, all files in your system. That files is you can see here. Okay, just like this way of format. After that you have to upload your database where your database is available. Okay, so this is your database, first one and second one. Okay, check here, this is database first one and second one. You send the your database to the one database, one zip file. So there is two databases available, so that's why I'm using two databases. Okay, upload your database. They're asking upload it. If you want you can find out it here. Just I'm showing you how the process is execution. Okay, okay, uploading. After that you have to go to, yes, this is completed. Just after that you have to enter your column names. Suppose if you want only title names, column title names, this is the column names. Okay, this is the column names, this is the rows and columns. Every data is available. Without rows and columns you can't identify, you can't get the data. Okay, see here. After that we are using a vector space using R. So check here. After that second format of data, you are asking this way, this is asking your way. Okay, so I'm putting this way. Just I know I don't need much more data, so that's why I'm taking the some data only, that's it. After that I'm using the group data. So okay, ggplot type, I use a ggplot type of pie chart, scat lab, okay, bar graph. So this type of thing I use. So every data is execution process. Enter your data is ready. Okay, don't worry. Okay, kernel is restarting again, checking the data. So once you can get this error, this is not a error, it is uploading server files is right or wrong the database. This is your database. Okay, this is the second database I'm using. Second database, this is the format of second database or first database. If you want you can use this, no problem. So I want now I want present database, that's why I'm using this thing. Okay, okay, second format of data. Check here, I code name geography all pages. So check here, this is a code name geography all pages, second databases. Okay, after that you have to import your database. You can convert any variable name, one store variable, that is your data. After that you have to final list, highest values you can get it. Okay, how many data is stored available? 4 columns and 426 rows data is available. Check it here. Okay, same data again I am showing. Just now I import some packages, that's why COVID-19 analytics. That why means, why I use it means, This is the present data COVID situation. Suppose if you ask any teacher or trainer anything, I need present database, how can you get? So just I'm using that one also extra. So this is the thing. Okay, don't worry. If you have this is the present database this year. So how many row, how many cases increases, how many deaths are increases. So that's why I used before you could not ask that thing. So that's why I mentioned only. Okay, if you don't need any data, just uninstall. Okay, just don't need to uninstall. Just comment. Okay, you won't get a execution process. Okay, don't worry. Already I import everything. You don't do anything. You don't do anything. Just open your data and show in your execution of process. Okay, that is the thing. Also, this is a good format of COVID-19 analysis using R language. So good idea about your project. Good knowledge. Good project taken. So this is the present situation of COVID situation. How many cases are increased? How many deaths? How many people died? So how many recovery cases? How is the process in COVID situation 19? These things. So we get the data. Okay. Presently you are staying in US. So how is your data? How is your condition? Just database is everything. Every data is dummy. Okay, not a permanent, not a updated. Suppose if you go and uh, install your data, it will be get something. Okay, this is your map present how many cases. It is very interesting, guys. So that's why I'm choosing this thing here. So